Have you ever experienced an ugly fungus-ridden nail? Do you struggle with recurring fungal infections and want a solution that treats the problem from the inside? If so, you'll want to learn about Toenail Care FUNGOSEM, a new natural solution to this problem. In this video, we'll be discussing how Toenail Care FUNGOSEM treats fungal infections, the ingredients used in it, and the benefits of using it as a natural remedy. Fungal infections are a problem that can start when toenails have minute cracks, or feet are in a warm, sweaty environment, such as in socks or work boots, causing an overgrowth of fungi under or on top of the nail. Toenail Care FUNGOSEM is full of active ingredients that have scientific backing and work to restore balance inside the gut, boosting the immune system that can kill the fungus inside and out. Toenail Care FUNGOSEM is a non-toxic, natural, and effective triple-action formula that is both fungicidal and fungus-adic. It effectively stops the growth of new fungi, even in those that have been resistant to other treatments. This means that it kills fungal pathogens while also blocking their development. There are 29 natural ingredients used in FUNGOSEM, including natural superfood ingredients like peony root, spirulina, barley grass, and complex vitamins. This product is a very effective way of treating your feet and removing the fungus by supplying enzymes to the gut to renew the microbiome to fight the fungus with no damage to the kidneys or the liver. There are several benefits to using Toenail Care FUNGOSEM. It helps maintain healthy and strong nails, gives its users more energy, reduces inflammation, provides clarity and cognition, and fills the body with antioxidants and enzymes that provide good bacteria. It can also improve the immune system to fight viruses and infections. FUNGOSEM can even strengthen the nail bed, preventing ingrown nails and enhancing the nail's appearance. Conclusion: if you are suffering from a fungal infection, FUNGOSEM can provide a natural solution. It removes fungal infections, boosts your immunity, and improves the overall health of your nails. FUNGOSEM is a great complement to other treatments for those suffering from nail fungus. And it's natural, non-toxic, and effective. Try it today and experience the benefits of healthy, strong nails. I left the official website link in the description. Go and check it out. Thanks for watching.